Hi, this is Laura with CoachMeLaura.com and at your service mobile notary. I have fabulous news to share. If you haven't heard, Notary Symposium has gone virtual live for 2020. We're in a crazy time with this pandemic and everyone is trying to respond in a new way, and so have we. With the adversity that we face, if we look for a seed of something good, we're sure to find it, and we did. We made the pivot to be a virtual live event, and we opened the doors to everyone across the United States. We're not limited by our location in California. And I was able to recruit new speakers outside of the state of California and have topics that can apply to anybody. And finally, we could add more people. We weren't limited to the physical space of the building we occupied. So why should you attend this year? Well, let me talk to you a little bit about the speakers we recruited. We wanted to bring you implementable strategies that you can use this year to move that business a little bit more quickly. Now, many of you are loan signing agents. And have you thought about specializing within loan signing? I'm all about specialty work. And reverse mortgages, you might haphazardly get one of those kinds of appointments, but do you really know them? Do you understand them? Have you considered targeting them and working with title companies that is all they do? Because there's a big difference when it's part of your menu of services rather than you accidentally get it. Also, have you thought about adding a new niche to the different lines of revenue you produce? That might be immigration consultant. And if you are in California, there's some restrictions, but I've got a guy who's going to tell you how to work with them. And if you're outside of California, many states are very friendly to this, and there aren't very many restrictions at all. Now, what about your notary skill? Let's talk about what we are. We're notaries. Let's put the notary back into notary signing agent or specialty notary work. And let's build our confidence and our competence at the notary practice itself. Also, it's important that we have a better understanding of what a signing company is, how we work with these signing services, and that we build a relationship with them so that we work together as colleagues to take care of the customers. We're going to pull back the curtain, and we brought in a national signing company owner. Now, you could be the greatest notary ever known, but if nobody knows you're here, it's hard to get the phone to ring. So we're going to bring somebody in who will help you develop messaging. What's the frequency? When are you supposed to do that? Who's your right audience? Finally, there are some steps that you can take to build that dream job with where you are right now and with what you have. So we'll talk about that as well. And if you're new to this industry, get ready to be blown away with tips, specific steps, and connections to jumpstart that business of yours. If you're returning, well, you already know the value you're going to get, and this year we've built upon that. You can take the next steps to enhance or expand the business you've already got going. Now, if networking and prizes were the highlights of your symposium experience before, we didn't lose it. We found a new and creative way to keep that, and you'll be very surprised how we're going to do that. So if you're looking to be a part of a tight-knit community, learn new skills, open yourself up to new strategies, then don't wait, because as of this recording, we only have 100 seats left. So once they're sold, you're going to be on the sidelines till next year. So go to notarysymposium.com and get all the details and confirm that you are going to be part of this great adventure. Until the next time, be safe.